Ladies and gentlemen, Paul from Cupar Motorcycles here in Scotland. Today I'd like to introduce you to the latest iteration of our MotoGP inspired GSX-S1000s. MotoGP inspired because the design follows Alex Rins's race winning bike from Suzuki's Swan Song race in MotoGP in November 2022 at Valencia. In Suzuki's words, race winning, track proven technology, raised for the street. Come and have a closer look. So it's a GSX-R1000 K5 based engine, much developed since then. Added to its Akrapovic race cam. And we have a seat cowl, you will get the seat as well, and a tail tidy. What I'll do then, if I find the key, is we'll fire it up for you. We think it's gorgeous. Give us a call. Thank you.